Hey, welcome back guys! We're continuing our exploration of Malta and we're trying to visit two towers today. One is called the Wignacourt Tower and it's the oldest surviving coastal defense post in Malta. It was built in 1610. That's 400 years ago. And we're also gonna try to visit the Red Tower, which is slightly younger. It was built in 1645. Again, very old places. Scuba divers. I mean, it makes sense. Malta is one of the best places to do scuba diving in the world.
Wignacourt Tower is located in St. Paul's Bay, Malta. This tower is a major tourist attraction on the island, especially during summer months. Grandmaster Alf Wignacourt personally financed the construction of this tower in 1610. The viceroy of Sicily to erect a tower to defend the bay. The tower is a square building with two corner turrets standing about 80 meters above.
It was from here that the Maltese soldiers kept watch for corsair or pirate ships in the 15th, 16th and 17th century. Now on the bus towards the Red Tower. Close to the Red Tower after that crazy bus ride. No, the Red Tower is closed. We may not be able to see and enter the Red Tower today. However, we do have gorgeous views from Mellieha Bay. So we got up here next to the walls of the Red Tower, and even though apparently you're not allowed to visit, you can still look at it from the outside, so that's pretty good.